a while, I like to bring up a blog for you that gets you thinking. And this is one of those blogs. So we talk here a lot about things like processed foods or packaged foods, things that have preservatives added. So for example, if you think of an apple, just a plain apple versus applesauce versus maybe apple flavored candy, it's very different versions of apple. And so that apple, from the time it was picked, from the farmer, and then it's actually landed in your house and in your fridge and there for a snack for you, is one thing. But if it goes to a factory and gets pureed and gets sugar added and gets other maybe colors or ingredients or preservatives, we're talking about a very different apple. You're getting different nutrients. You're probably not getting as many nutrients, and you might even be getting something like food coloring. So today in this blog, what I want to talk about is the food colorings, not specifically in apples, but just to give you that idea as to the different types of food. I want to talk about food colorings in the sense of where they're coming from, what's happening to us, where are we getting all of these colors from? And you might think you don't eat a lot of food colorings, but honestly, they can be hidden everywhere. You've probably seen on your food bags or packages, red number 1 or blue number 3 or yellow number 6. There's all these different colors, and these are not usually naturally made. And in many cases, they're actually banned in certain countries. And we know that there's also connections to side effects and all types of health problems or behavioral issues. So having this extra coloring in our food is what I want to tackle in this blog. And so what I'm going to do is just give you kind of a list as to like where they're found, what they do, and I'm also going to give you a really easy ingredient of how you can make this on your own. So head on into the blog, have a read, let me know your thoughts. This is not something that I want you to, spend too much time really worrying and stressing about, but I want you to be aware of this. So when you head to the grocery store, read the label, start becoming aware of where you're getting these extra things in your diet. And then let me know what you find. I cannot wait to hear. So head on into the blog, leave a comment over there, do a little, search in your own cupboard or in the grocery store to see what colors have been added into your regular foods. Let me know.